Hello dear fans. How to convert meters to centimeters. It is very easy to learn how to convert meters to centimeters and do the reverse operation, bringing dimensions in centimeters to meters. The main thing is to remember how these values relate to each other. How many centimeters in 1 meter? Both meter and centimeter refer to the SI units of measurement. Length and distance are measured in meters. A meter can be called a conventional unit of measurement in the 18th century. Its length was defined as 1/40th, 0.00000 of the length of the Paris meridian. The modern official definition of the meter says that this is the distance that light travels in a vacuum in a very small fraction of a second, 1/299,792,458 part. But the centimeter is a fractional value, tied to the meter. Fractional units are those that are obtained by dividing the main unit of measurement into certain parts, fractions. For example, the prefix deci- in the words decimeter or deciliter means that we are talking about a tenth of a meter or a liter, respectively. And centi means that it is 1/100th of the original value. Knowing what the prefix centi means, it is easy to guess that a centimeter is 1/100th of a meter. So, how many centimeters are in 1 meter? Exactly 100. Converting meters to centimeters. Examples. If, according to the conditions of the problem, it is necessary to reduce all linear quantities, width, length, height, and so on, to one value, in order to convert from meters to centimeters, you need to multiply the value in meters by 100. 100 is a round number, so the multiplication process will be simple and fast. Example 1. The height of the fence is 2 meters, it is necessary to calculate the height of the fence in centimeters. In order to multiply an integer by 100, you just need to add 2 zeros to it. So, as a result, we get that the height of the fence is 2 times 100 equals 200 centimeters. Example 2. Vagia's height is 1.35 meters. How much will it be in centimeters? If we multiply a decimal fraction by 100, we need to move the point separating the integer part from the fractional part by 2 digits to the right. This will be the result of multiplying by 100. Therefore, if Vagia's height is converted from meters to centimeters, the result will be 135 centimeters. Example 3. A snail crawled a distance of 5 meters and 8 centimeters in a day. How many centimeters did the snail crawl? Multiplying the number of meters by 100 as a result, we get 500. 500 plus 8 is equal to 508. This means that the snail's route had a length of 508 centimeters. How to convert centimeters to meters? In order to convert centimeters to meters, it is no longer necessary to multiply, but to divide the original value by 100. This is also easy to do in such cases. In integers, the last 2 digits are separated by a decimal point. In fractional numbers, the point is moved 2 digits to the left. Example 1. The length of the ruler is 120 centimeters. How many meters is it? We separate the last 2 digits with a decimal point, we get 1.20. If the decimal fraction ends in zeros, you can simply discard them. As a result, we get that 120 centimeters are equal to 1.2 meters. Example 2. The height of the ceilings in the apartment is 308.5 centimeters. We translate this value into meters. Move the 0.2 characters to the right, we get 3.085 meters. Example 3. The length of the tail of Muska's cat is 19 centimeters. Let's convert from centimeters to meters. To do this, we separate the last 2 digits, and write a 0 in front of the comma. It turns out 0.19 meters, 0.19 hundredths. Obviously, we should have gotten the result less than 1, because 1 meter is 100 centimeters, and Muska's tail is much shorter. Thus, converting meters to centimeters is not much more difficult than converting centimeters to meters. The main thing is not to forget that there are 100 centimeters in a meter, and converting linear values to one unit of measurement will never be a problem. Thanks for watching.